Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name's Teresa and this is Teresa's Life Budgeted. And today I'm excited we're working in our long-term sinking funds binder, our black binder here. And we're supposed to start right here in the very front. That's where my clip's at. However, you know me and I never do what I'm supposed to. So we're gonna flip right back here to the back and we're gonna work in Let's Ditch That Debt first, because we are so close to $100, and when I hit 100, I'm going to pull it out to make a debt payment. So we have 50, 70, 80, 85, 86, $87. So we only need 13 bucks to get us there. We're going to go ahead and try. I want to start there so that way I make sure I've got enough to do it. But Let's Ditch That Debt is from Dawn Sunrise Budgeting. It's a freebie on her coffee, and I have been working on it since the 5th of January, so it's been a minute. Let's go ahead. Let's bring in a pink color because we haven't done pink in a little while. So let's go ahead, roll a 6-sided die, and see what we're going to put in. A 1. Okay. Let's go again. Our goal is to get to at least 13. A 2, a 3, that's funny, are we just going to work our way down the pile? A 2 again, did I put that 3 in there? So we got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8. So nope, we got 3 there, so let's put in a 5, we're up to 8, a 5, that technically puts us at 13, but let's go one more, and a 2. Okay, hopefully we will make it back here to do some more, but we're going to call that for right now. Let me get these colored in and I'll be right back. Okay, I almost colored an extra one. I went over there, but I recounted it. And we had 5, 8, 10, 12, 14, $15 that we should have added in. So 1, 2, 3, I missed a 2. That's why I double checked. $15 we're adding in. So let's see if we are now at 100. Should be. So we've got 50, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100. Let's set that off to the side. 101, 102. Yay! So let's put a $100 prop bill in here so we know we put $100 towards debt. And we'll go ahead and paper clip our $100 so that way we can make sure that it goes into our savings. So, yay, we got one started. It'll probably be the only thing we put in today, I believe, but you never know. All right, now we will flip back up to the front. Let me move this out of the way. Okay, now we'll start where we were supposed to with this one from Pink Plum Budgeting. You can't make everybody happy. You aren't a balloon animal. And this is going towards silver and gold. So where's my scratcher stuff at? Let's roll and see where we're going to go. We got a 1. After that, we'll probably do around $10-ish for each one. We'll see. So we might still make it back to our debt. Or let's ditch that debt one more time. All right, we got 7. Do we want to go again? Yeah, let's go one more time because we didn't hit this one last time. And we got a 1 again. And a 3. Perfect. All right, so that'll be $10. We'll put our 7 back and grab a 10. All right, we're about halfway-ish. We've got 4 more left to scratch. And we now have $20, $30, $35. I do not remember how much this one saved, so mystery saver. Next up, we've got our chilly little savings, and this is from Janelle Ray Budgets. I purchased this off of her Etsy account. And this one's going to save us $100, and it's going to go to my husband's PTO fund. So let's see what we get today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are getting down there, almost done. So $4. Do we got a 1 in here? We do. So 1 back and grab a 5. And then we'll go again. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. She does have some really nice scratchers too. So then we got a 5. So let's go one more time. 3. 1, 2, 3. And then that'll leave us 3 scratchers for next time. And that is 1. Okay, 3 left. Let's see, where are we at now? Let's put these 2 5s back for a 10. And we are now at $50, $70, $80, $85, $86, $87, $88. Getting close. So we'll finish this one next time, I'm sure. All right, next. This one is a new one. Maybe, if I can get out. This was a new one last time. This is from Budgeting with a Ginger. And this is going towards vacation. Oh, stabbed myself. And this one's going to save $80. And Ginger. Brittany likes the spicy. So 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we got an 8. So we'll go one more time. 3. 1, 2, 3. An 8 and a 10. Oof, goodness. $18. So we'll put 2 back and grab a 20. So $30 in here now. And we've only scratched 3 scratchers. She likes the spice. All right, next up, we have a new one that I'm adding in. This is from Budgeting for Me, and I got this off of her Etsy account, and it's going to save us $60. It says, I don't like morning people, or mornings, or people. And this one's going to go towards Prime. Since we cleaned it out for Prime Day, it's time to build it back up again. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. $6. That is a interesting font there. I was a little... At first, I'm like, wait a minute, what's going on? It's just a black circle, but then I see it. So a 6, let's go again. 6 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 2, so we'll go one more time. 3. 1, 2, 3. And we got another 6. So, well, we don't have any 10, so it doesn't matter. All right, so now we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, $14 to get us started on that one. Next up, runaway cards. This one is from The Secret Budgeter, and this is a freebie on her coffee account. And it comes with the main game board and then these little minis that go with it. I made them into scratchers. So let's just see what we're going to get this time. We're going to start here at start. Got a 1, so $1. Okay, now that we have crossed off all of the amounts, I think I'm going to do them one more time just to save even more. And we'll start that next week. So this week I'm just going to finish it out. But next week, next time that I'm in this one, I'm going to just start like scratching them out completely is my plan. We'll see. All right. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got Louise. And let's see. We've got a 1. Okay. And that is roll a D4. We got 1 for that. 2, 1, 2. So we got the whole Bob's Burgers gang. So let's just do one at random. We got 2. Then we got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's just scratch one. Let's do the corner. We got 3. Real quick, I'm going to make some change, I think. Let's do a 10 and 2 5s for our 20. That way we've got some change to play with here. All right. Did I put my 3 in? Hold on. We got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is what we should have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, I did put it in there. Okay, let's go again. We're right here. So 6. 1, or no, we were right here. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, wait a minute. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Let's do this corner this time. And we got a D4. $2. And we'll go one more time. And 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think we hit them all. We did. Perfect. Got a scratcher on each. So like I said, next time, so it doesn't go by quite so quickly, we will start crossing them all off a second time with our numbers. And we've already finished one of these boards. And a 1. All right, let's see what we're up to now. Okay, we have 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, $32. Nice. So we're about halfway since we're going to redo all of the numbers on here. I want it to save a little bit more. But you could leave it as is, and then it's a little bit of a smaller saver, which is also nice. All right, next we're back into my binder here with our magic numbers. This is from IndigoMoonBudgets. It's a freebie on her coffee account. And we will be rolling a 10-sided die to see what we're going to color in. And let's see what we can't give here. All right, we got a 2 to get us started. Let's see. 2s are yellow. So we got a 2 right there. The only downside is it does pick up the black ink when you color them. A 4. All right. That's kind of a pale purpley pink. We'll just do pink. $4. So let's put 1 back and grab a 5. And we got a 10. Nice. So let's put purple on that 10. And then that will do it for us today. I feel like I need to start putting more money into this one, though, because it is saving towards taxes. So we got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $10, which leaves us with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $7 left. So let's see, what are we up to now? Well, let's see how much we're putting in, I guess. We got 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, $16 we're adding today. Nice. And that puts us at 20, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, $50. Not nearly enough. We've been working on this thing for a few months. We'll have to start bringing a little bit more in, maybe. All right, next up, we've got our New Year, New Me. And this is a collab between Buttercup Budgets, Lil's World 733, and ShadesBudgets. And I started this one also in January, so it has taken us a while, and it still has a while to go, I think. This is a fun little double dice game, which I do love. So let's roll and see what we get. All right, we got a 1x2, which we already have, and a 2x1, which we already have. So we will save $1. Double sixes, nice. So our piggy bank, that is $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got $2 left. I think we will just throw this into our, oh, do we want to? Yeah, we will. So our Let's Stitch the Debt, that is also our catch-all. So we will just go ahead and put this into there. But let's see, what were we able to add into our New Year, New Me? we now have $50, $70, $80, $85, $86, $87, $88, $89, $90, $91. Nice. I am, however, since we didn't get to put a full 10 in here, I'm gonna put my clip on here, and we'll start with this one again next time we're in here. Make sure we give it some extra money. But let's put these last $2 into our Let's Ditch the Debt. It's like I almost knew I needed that extra 2. So we will just go ahead and color in that extra 2. Lots of pink today. And we didn't finish too much, but we were able to add some money in to make a debt payment, which is super awesome. So let's see, what does that put us into now for our Let's Ditch the Debt? We have $100 that we're making for our payment. $101, $2, $3, $4. Well on our way to a second one. Well, started to. Alrighty, well, that's going to be it for us today, friends. I'm super excited to make a debt payment, so yay on that. This will be going towards paying off my husband's car. That's what we are currently working on. But alrighty, friends, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button, hit subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.